Think you can solve these challenging logarithm problems? These advanced log questions will test your skills. Stay tuned for step-by-step explanation and expert math tips. Here, if you notice, both of these have different bases. But lots of students don't know that they could change this to 3 squared x plus 3 log base 3x equals 7. Now this square right here, you could pull it out and make it 1/2 in front of the log. Base 3x plus 3 log base 3x equals 7. Now you could ask, how can we pull this out and make it 1/2 in front of the log? I will explain that to you. According to change of base, I could change this to log x over log 9. That becomes log x, and the 9 here we could make it 3 squared. Now I could pull the 2 down according to the log rules. So this here, we could make it log base 3 x over 2, which is the same as 1/2 log base 3x. So that's how you know that you could do that all the time now, changing the base to 3 to the power of 2, and then that 2 becomes 1/2 in front of the log base 3x. Now here these are like terms, so half plus 3, that's the same as 6 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So that will give me 7/2 log base 3x equals 7. It gives me log base 3x. If I divide both sides by 7/2, I'll end up getting 2. Because 7 divided by 7/2 is the same as 7 times 2 over 7. The 7 will cancel, and you get just 2 on the other side. Or multiply both sides by 2 over 7, and that will cancel the 7 on the bottom. And therefore, this here, the x will equal 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. And that's the answer for this. Now, how about this? We have a square root on this log, and here we have the square root on the x. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to square both sides. So I'm going to square this side and square this side. So remember, when you square this side, you're not squaring the root. You're not squaring root x. You're squaring the whole log. A log, this is log of root x. So you're squaring the log, and you're not squaring the square root of x. Now this here will get rid of the square root, and so we'll have log x equals log root x log x to the power of 1/2 squared. Now I'm going to move everything to one side, equate it to 0. So I'm going to go 0 equals, and I'm going to pull the half down, half log x squared minus log x. I move this log x to the other side. Now here, I could take, I'm going to square the 1/2, so I get 1/4, and then I'm going to square the log at the same time, so that's log x squared minus log x. Now if you look at this, both terms here have log x, so I'm going to pull out log x out as the greatest common factor, and I'm going to get 1/4 log x minus 1. See, if you multiply the log x here into here, you're going to get 1/4 log squared x, and then here you get the log x. So now it's either log x equals 0 or 1/4 log x minus 1 equals 0. Now this is easy. The base is 10 here. So 10 raised to the power of 0 equals x. So x equals 10 to the power of 0, which gives me 1. Here, I'm going to move the negative 1 to the other side. So quarter log x equals 1. I'm going to cross multiply the 4 into there. So I'm going to get log x equals 4. Now you remember the base is 10, so 10 raised to the power of 4 gives me x. So x equals 10 to the 4, which equals 10,000. Did you get the answer? Let me know in the comments. If you found these problems challenging, hit the like button and subscribe for more tricky math problems. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new challenge. See you in the next video.